Gates open, dead up and racing. Starbucks Pansy draws for your lead. Dugusto King is by the rail to take second. Beautiful Koki on the further outside is 3A. That's Power Gear, then followed by Green Diamond. Running by the rail, Natu Princess, Seal My Lips second last, while Stellar Ace is in behind them. About to pass the last 800. A solo leader, Starbucks Pansy by about 6 lengths. Moving up to take second by the rail, Samurai Joe, Dugusto King. Moving up is Green Diamond. Now almost catching the second spot. Racing in peep at this moment. Beautiful Koki. Nato Princess is by the rail and Dottie outside is 3A Power Gear. Followed by Seal My Lips and a long way back to Stellar Ace as they turn to the final 400 meter stretch run up Santa Ana Park is Starbucks Pansy. Moving up now is Green Diamond by the rail is Samurai Joe. With the last 200 meters more to run, now we have Green Diamond leading the field, followed now by Samurai Joe. Starbucks Pansy on the outside. With the last 50 meters, it's all Green Diamond. Second, Samurai Joe, Starbucks Pansy, 3A Power Gear, then comes Seal My Lips, Dugus to King. Number 3, Nato Princess, Beautiful Koki, and Stellar Ace.